Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. Today, we got to take a look because CROcoin is pumping. Guys, right at the level that I've been talking about at 5.3 cents, where we've been stuck for so long for CRO, we have had a rally. Up to, at one point on the top peak of this candle, which was almost at 6 cents. On some exchanges, it did hit 6 cents. CRO got a 10.84% gain in the last 2 days, which is absolutely spectacular. Now, when you zoom out, guys, and you look at what's going on, you'll get a better idea of kind of where we're at and where we might be headed. As you know, we've been coming down steadily for a while, and if I actually zoom out a little bit more, go to the daily candles here, you'll see I've had this blue line drawn out now for the past couple days, the last week or so, where I think this is a key level to be watching. Now, before this CROcoin price came up into this blue line, I've had this drawn. It seemingly has broken through this blue line right here, which is an important level, I believe, that CRO needs to break through. And we need to see a move up to 6 cents where we've seen it touch several times in the past. If CROcoin can get a move to break above this 6 cent level, then it might continue up and find its way all the way up to 12 cents, which is right before that FTX collapse, guys. That would be the thing that you want to see out of CROcoin here in the short to midterm if you are a CROcoin holder. Now, one other thing that I want you guys to look at is this. We've been talking a lot lately about resistances, whether you are hitting a ceiling and that is a resistance, or whether you are bouncing off support. Now, if CROcoin continues up to this green line at 6.6 cents, there is a chance, guys, that this becomes resistance and we see a move back down towards this yellow trend line, bounce off the top of this blue line, and come back down to 5.3 cents to then confirm this level of turn this into support so that we can continue move up and break through this resistance right here. There is a chance, guys. There is a chance that all of a sudden we see CRO just break through this just like Bitcoin's done. Remember, guys, the entire market's pumping. Bitcoin's up 19.91% over the last 7 days. Ethereum's even up 15%, but Ethereum dominance is falling versus Bitcoin. We know that altcoins are not performing as well as Bitcoin. If you look at any altcoin versus Bitcoin, Bitcoin is typically outperforming altcoins right now. There are exceptions. Solana is an exception over the last week. Great example. But as you can see, Bitcoin is now rebounding because recently there was a listing and a hint showing that the iShares Bitcoin Spot ETF is getting published on this website, which everybody's looking to determine when and if this ETF is going to get approved. It was taken away and then just put back on the website recently. And so now Bitcoin's rallying again, moving back up to 35K. Then look at the history of Bitcoin here. We went from 27K blasting off almost a $10,000 gain. Guys, from this level right here, when we just broke through, this thing all of a sudden in just a day or two went up 25%. How unbelievable is that? This is actually about a week's time frame. In a week, we went up 25%. $150 billion worth of market cap for Bitcoin came into the equation. It can happen where these coins can just break through some of these levels. So for CRO, guys, I am looking at the 6 cent level. If we can break above it, we might get a continued move up. Hopefully, it is good to see we moved above this blue line here, but be aware, guys, because we could have a retest of this 5.3 cent level, turn this into resistance, and find our way upward again. Bitcoin's moving towards a bull market, guys. I'm not saying the bull market's here yet, but the bear market may finally be getting very close to the end. We might break out here, have one more capitulation event, just like we've been talking about, for the broader market, and then move up and get ready for that very, very bullish and beautiful year inevitably coming for the crypto space, guys. Not financial advice, but that's the update I have for you today. Good to see CROcoin pumping at almost 6 cents to date. Let's see these moves continue to go up. Let's see Bitcoin keep pumping. But let's keep an eye on some of these key levels, guys. That's all I got in this one. I'm CryptoKip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to this channel for more crypto content. And as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.